Are you facing constant repairs with your home siding due to San Antonio's unpredictable weather? From scorching summers to unexpected hailstorms, choosing the wrong siding can cost you time and money. In this video, we're diving into the best and worst siding options for your home. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Since 1989, we've transformed thousands of homes in San Antonio with durable siding solutions. In our quest to safeguard our homes from San Antonio's weather extremes, let's look into the siding options that might not be up to the challenge. Our goal is to ensure your home's exterior is both beautiful and resilient. Here are the 3 siding materials that often fall short in our unique climate. Vinyl siding, made from polyvinyl chloride or PVC, is basically a type of plastic and is usually celebrated as a siding material for its affordability. However, it's a classic example of you get what you pay for. While it offers a variety of styles and colors, vinyl's composition leads to several significant drawbacks in our fluctuating temperatures. It's prone to expanding and contracting, which can result in warping, bending, or even cracking during colder weather. This continual movement can create gaps between boards, leaving your home vulnerable to water infiltration, potentially leading to rot and structural damage. Although it might be tempting for budget-conscious projects, vinyl siding's long-term durability in San Antonio's climate is questionable. Aluminum siding, once a staple for its modern look and lightweight nature, offers a distinct industrial aesthetic and can have a low cost. It is also non-combustible, providing a degree of fire resistance. Yet its metal nature is a significant downside for homes in our area. In our intense summer heat, aluminum siding can transform your home into an oven by trapping the heat inside. Additionally, like vinyl, aluminum can warp and dent, particularly during hailstorms, which we do get quite often here, making your home's exterior look uneven and worn. It can also be noisy during rainstorms, which might make your indoor space less peaceful. While durable against pests and rot, the thermal and acoustic drawbacks make aluminum siding a less than ideal choice for our community. Wood siding offers a timeless appeal, bringing warmth and natural beauty to any home exterior. Its durability and longevity have been proven over centuries. However, wood requires significant maintenance to preserve its appearance and structural integrity, especially in our hot, humid climate like ours. The primary concern with wood siding in San Antonio is its vulnerability to moisture. Prolonged exposure to humidity and rain can lead to rot, mold, and mildew, compromising your home's protection. The expansion and contraction due to temperature changes can also cause the wood to split and crack, further allowing moisture intrusion. While wood siding can be a great fit for certain locales, the maintenance and risk of water damage make it a less practical choice for San Antonio homeowners seeking hassle-free durability. Each of these options carries inherent risks and maintenance challenges in our climate, pushing us to look for better, more resilient alternatives for our homes. Now for the siding that we think withstands San Antonio's challenges: James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding. It's a hail-resistant, fire-resistant, and won't fade or warp. We've seen firsthand how well it performs here, which is why it's our top recommendation and why it's the only siding type that we sell here in San Antonio. Yes, it's an investment, but its durability and low maintenance make it worth every penny. Want more information on James Hardie Siding in San Antonio? Well, check out the video linked above where we highlight why you need fiber cement siding in San Antonio. Thank you for joining us and learning about the worst types of exterior siding for San Antonio homes. For insights into the latest home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.